As the sun dipped below the horizon, the city transformed into a tapestry of shimmering lights, and nestled within the urban heartbeat stood a magnificent building, a beacon in the nocturnal symphony. The facade, an architectural masterpiece, wore a cloak of darkness that only enhanced its allure. Rows of windows adorned the structure like jewels, each framing a unique tableau of life within. Warm hues spilled forth, casting a gentle glow onto the surrounding streets below. At ground level, the building's entrance was marked by a cascade of soft, inviting light. The glass doors stood as portals to another realm, revealing the lobby adorned with contemporary art and an elegant reception desk bathed in the subtle radiance of recessed lighting. Vertical lines of light traced the building's edges, accentuating its form against the night sky. The structure seemed to ascend endlessly, disappearing into the velvet canvas above. On the upper floors, lights from individual rooms painted a mosaic of stories, each window a snapshot of someone's world: a cozy living room, a home office, or a bedroom with curtains gently swaying in the night breeze. On the rooftop, a panoramic view unfolded. The glow of carefully arranged fairy lights draped over a terrace, casting a soft glow on the green